Hello all. Again a very warm welcome to Growthologists Junior, where your dreams soar high. Do you all remember me? I am your mentor and principal trainer, Himani Yadav. And as I told you that I am going to come with a very important topic. So today I am here to tell you about a very important topic which is already considered a problem by most of you. So, are you excited to go for the topic? Go on. So, the topic for today is how to solve numerical problems. We have already considered them as a problem, isn't it? I am going to give you some tips and tricks to solve the numerical problems very easily. Ready to go? Step 1. Read each question carefully at least twice. Sometimes we think that we just read the question in a hurry and we thought that we know the answer and we are going for that. No, don't be in that much hurry. Read each question carefully at least twice. Right? Step 2. After reading the question, you will find the relative concept, which because you have already read the question 2 times, you can find the relative concept of the question. It's related to speed, distance, or it's related to light, what the concept is behind that. When you get the concept, then come to step 3. Draw the necessary diagram. If any diagram is needed there, any diagram is needed, draw that diagram. For example, if it is from a light chapter, so draw the diagram for that. Okay, so that you can easily find out the solution. Step 4. Choose the relevant formula required to solve the problem. After that, choose the formula like speed is equal to distance upon time. If distance is asked, distance is equal to speed into time. Right? So choose the relevant formula required to solve the problem. You are halfway there. Come on. Next is step 5. Write down the given information carefully. What is given in the question? Write down that information. Speed is given, distance is given, time is given. What information is given to you? That makes your question very easy. Step 6. Put the given information in the relevant formula and find the answer. Yes? Over? No. Last but not the least. Step 7. Do not forget to write the units. If you want to get the full marks, don't forget to write the units. And now it's done. So now the topic will be how to solve the numerical questions. They are not problems anymore. Hope you all like the video. Stay tuned.